When you search for cheap TV backlight LED strips, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, KSIPZE LED lights. First up, we have the KSIPZE LED lights for TV, which are 16.5 feet long and perfect for TVs ranging from 45 to 75 inches. Priced at just $9.97, this caught my eye primarily because of its impressive 4.5-star rating from over 6,800 reviews. If you want vibrant colors and easy installation, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The KSIPZE is powered by energy-efficient 5V LED strips that not only enhance your viewing experience but also reduce glare and power consumption. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can control the lights via their app or a remote, offering over 16 colors and various dynamic modes like strobe and fade. Many buyers rave about the immersive ambience it creates, especially during movie nights or gaming sessions. Now some people complained about the adhesive not being very strong. Here's the thing though, if you apply it correctly and ensure the surface is clean, you should be fine. But if you're planning to move your setup around a lot, that could be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable way to enhance your TV viewing experience and enjoy customizable lighting. Skip this one if you need super strong adhesive for frequent relocations. For the price, it's hard to beat the value here. Now, if the adhesive issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with even more features. Product number 2, PANGTON Villa LED Backlight. Next, we have the PANGTON Villa TV LED Backlight, specifically designed for 40 to 60-inch TVs and priced at just $7.99. With an incredible rating of 4.5 stars from over 56,400 reviews, it's clear this one has caught the attention of many. If you're looking for a backlight that syncs with music, this is definitely worth considering. This product shines with its dual control options, either through Bluetooth app or remote control, allowing you to switch colors and modes without leaving your couch. It offers 16 vibrant colors that can match your room's mood or screen content, which is fantastic for movie nights or gaming. Plus, it can react to music, providing an exciting atmosphere that turns any regular night into a party. However, some users mentioned that the length of the strip could be limiting for larger setups. But honestly, for standard TV sizes, it's more than adequate and easy to manage. So if you have a smaller to mid-sized TV, this shouldn't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy entertaining and want lights that dance with your music. Skip this one if you have a larger TV or want something more versatile in length. At this price, it's a solid investment for adding ambience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for color customization. Product number 3, KANTUTOE LED lights. Now let's take a look at the KANTUTOE LED lights. This 16.4-foot option is designed for 45 to 75-inch TVs and is priced at $9.99. With a 4.4-star rating from over 8,100 reviews, it's definitely popular. If you want endless color options, this is worth your attention. The Bluetooth app lets you control the lights, and the built-in microphone syncs the colors with your music, creating a vibrant atmosphere for any occasion. It even has a low heat output, making it safe for long-term use without overheating your space. Now, some users did find the installation tricky with the adhesive, sometimes leading to it peeling off. But here's the thing, if you take your time to prep the surface and press firmly, it generally sticks well. If you're someone who rushes installations, this could be a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you love a dynamic lighting setup that changes with your music. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward plug-and-play experience. For the price and features, it's a great option for anyone wanting colorful lighting. Next up is another solid contender that might appeal to those wanting a warranty and more support. Product number 4, Nexalumi LED lights. Next, we've got the Nexalumi LED lights, which also measure 16.4 feet and are aimed at TVs from 55 to 75 inches, priced at $9.99. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 25,300 reviews, it's a strong choice. If you want a warranty and easy control, this is a must-see. This means you can have your lights turn on automatically when you start your favorite show. The installation is super easy, thanks to corner wires that allow you to bend the strip without needing connectors. However, some users reported occasional connectivity issues with the app. But honestly, this is pretty common with Bluetooth devices, and it usually resolves quickly. If you're not tech-savvy, this might be a slight annoyance, but most people find it manageable. This is perfect for you if you value flexibility and want the added peace of mind of a warranty. Skip this one if you prefer hassle-free connections and aren't comfortable troubleshooting minor tech issues. For the features and support, it's a solid investment. Now, let's check out another KANTUTOE model that has some similar features but a slightly different approach. Product number 5, KANTUTOE Music Sync LED Lights. Finally, we have another KANTUTOE option, also 16.4 feet in length, perfect for 45 to 75-inch TVs, and it's priced at $9.99. With a 4.4-star rating from about 2,800 reviews, it's a strong competitor. If you want music sync features, this is definitely worth a look. The app control allows for a wide variety of modes, making it adaptable for any setting, be it a party or a quiet movie night. Plus, the adhesive is reported to be stronger than some competitors, which is a big plus. Now, some users mention that the colors aren't as vibrant as some higher-priced models. Here's the thing though, at this price point you're getting a lot of value, and it still creates a fun atmosphere for casual use. This is perfect for you if you want a good mix of features without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute brightest colors possible. For the price, you're getting a fantastic deal on fun, ambient lighting. So there you have it. The KSIPZE and PANGTON Villa are great for easy setup and music sync, while the KANTUTOE models offer extensive color options and features, and the Nexalumi provides reliability with a warranty. Each of these options brings something unique to the table. Get ready to light up your TV experience.